Hi, welcome to our very first video of Django practices. Today we will going to learn how to use Django proxy models. Prax- Django proxy models, you, you will not see something very written about it. They do come in very handy, but there's not that much written about how to make use of them. A proxy model is just another class that provides a different interface for the same underlying database model. A proxy model is basically a subclass of database label defining model. Typically, creating a subclass of a model results in a new database table with a reference back to the original model's table, like a multi-table inheritance. Now we will going to create a model to understand an example. We are going to create a model A. You can introduce any field names like now going now we are going to create a model B, same as. But what we will do here, we will define proxy is equals to true for a proxy model. Let's define some function here. Here str function has totally different usage, and what we are going to do here, so the fields will inherit from the model A, but you can provide a totally different functionalities to your proxy model at the database level. So here's the basic understanding of a proxy model. You can use in any class and any subclass for the multi-level inheritance. So if you have any confusion, you can write down any comments. I will reply all of you. So thank you for watching. Until the next video. Bye. Thank you.